Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to change this old headband into a beautiful headband. For this, we are using headband and some colorful hairbands. So let's see how to do them. Place the first one here, twist it like this, twist one more time like this, and bring it like this. So 2 times you're going to twist them. Take the next, twist it like this, twist one more time and place it here. So you'll see a knot like this. Take next, twist here, twist another one time. So this is what we are going to continue them. Place here, twist once, twist one more time, bring it like this. Place here, twist once, twist one more time, bring it like this. So you're going to do them around. So let's see how it looks after completing the full headband. So after completing them, the hairband looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.